Introducing Houston's Pink Leopard Massager, a smooth, lightweight, slim vibe made of a safe and pure hard plastic. This powerful, compact, multi-speed vibe is 4.5 inches long and 1 inch wide and has a 1 inch long plastic end cap. This makes it the perfect size to slip into your purse for fun anytime. This Pink Leopard vibrator can be used to stimulate any part of your body. It's easy to use. Just twist the end cap to change the multi-speed vibrations. The Pink Leopard Vibe uses one AA battery and is waterproof for fun in and out of the water. To increase your pleasure, be sure to use a quality lube like California Exotic Novelties Universal Lube. And don't forget to clean your Pink Leopard with California Exotic Novelties brand Universal Toy Cleaner. Become your own sex superstar with Houston's Pink Leopard Massager.